Hello everyone, this is Ezra and welcome to Basic Photoshop. Actually, this is my first time to create a tutorial, and honestly this is my 100 times in taking this tutorial. And actually I'm very conscious of the words that I will release, and very conscious of the things or the term that I will use. So hopefully you will understand me the way I speak. Uh, Actually, I'm creating this tutorial because I want to help those people who wants to learn about Photoshop and its basic usage, because you can learn the advanced thing of the Photoshop if you don't know the basic usage uh, of the tools here in Photoshop. So the Photoshop is very amazing tool or software that can help to manipulate your photos, to edit your photos, to make it more beautiful and phenomenal. And hopefully that I can help those first timers and also for those beginners who wants to to know the usage of the basic or the usage of the tools here in the Photoshop. Alright, so right now I will teach you how to use the marquee tool. So you can press letter M on your keyboard, or you can left click or uh, press the letter M, and you can also select any shape of your marquee. So you can select rectangular, elliptical, single row, and single column marquee tool. Alright, so I will just use the rectangular marquee tool. Alright, so many people asking, especially uh, on the web, that they asking other people how to cut images using the Photoshop. So the answer is you will use the marquee tool to cut your images. So for example, I have this lots of faces on one photo or on one picture. So if I will use the move tool, and they will move as one. So they have not been cut yet. So I will use the marquee tool to cut. Uh, for example, I will cut uh, this paint. I don't know who he is, and I don't know who's the painter. I'm very sorry. So after selecting it, you can you can select, or you can press Control X, and that's mean to cut, and I will move it to another layer. Just control I press Control V. So there he is. And for example, if I want to uh, move these photos, I will select another set of photos, and I will use the move tool. You can just press letter V on your keyboard for the move tool, and I will move it. So as you can see, before I've moved the photo, you will see a little or tiny scissor. So once you will move this image, it will automatically cut from the main photo. Alright, so for example, I will move this photo here, and if I want to get rid of this moving line, just just press Control D. Alright, so if the Marquee 2 is not there, if I move it, it will uh, it will automatically part of the main photo, because I only I I only put them I'm only putting them in one layer. For example, I will create another layer and use the marquee tool again, and select a set of photo, and control X. Oh, I'm sorry. Control X, and I will move it to this layer, and control V. So as you will notice, because it was separated from another layer, the only difference is I can move this set of photos without moving other photos, or or the main photo. Alright, so if I will select this one and move this, I cannot move this one because it was separated layer. Alright, so the other usage of marquee tool is, for example, I can create, um, because some people uh, thought that they can create a shape. Yes, you can create a shape using your brush tool, but you can't create a very perfect square for this one. So I can't create a perfect square. So in order for me to create a perfect square, I will use the marquee tool. Right. So after uh, creating a square, I will brush it. I will use the brush, and as you can see, it will never go beyond the line. So that's the reason why some photo editor can can create a perfect square. So actually, there's a lot of ways to create squares here in Photoshop. So this is the other way to create another uh, another way to create a shape or a square. So for example, from this image, I will I want to put uh, I want to cover their eyes. So I will just use the marquee tool. There you go. Control V and Control D again. I create a marquee tool again, and so this is only the basic usage of marquee tool. Alright, so for example, I already created uh, this shape, and I want to cut this one, to cut this from, or to put, or to cut a circle, a shape of uh, to cut and in a shape of circle. So I will just use the circle marquee tool, and I will use the move tool, and that's it. So you already cut, you already separated the other part that you've created of using the marquee tool, and you can delete it. Alright, so that's it. Oh, they're moving because they're in one layer. So that's it. That's the basic uh, usage of marquee tool. Hopefully that I helped you, and already hopefully that you can use uh, the Mark II effectively right now. I'm very sorry. So that's it. So thank you for watching.